In today's video, we're breaking down 5 profitable side hustles that you can start with nothing but Canva and a simple email tool. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, where we teach creators and online entrepreneurs how to build real income online using digital products, email marketing, and scalable systems that don't burn you out. If you ever felt like you wanted to start something but didn't have a website, a big following, or a clear niche, you're not alone. This video is for anyone who wants to build an income stream online using tools you probably already know and love. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, sell a digital wellness or lifestyle guide. This is one of the easiest ways to start building online income if you have knowledge, experience, or a personal transformation in a specific area like gut health, fitness, mindset, productivity, or even wellness on a budget. A digital guide is a short, helpful PDF that walks someone through a result you've already created for yourself. This works because people are tired of Googling 100 different options. They want one clear guide from someone that they trust. If you've already figured something out, even something basic, you can just turn that into a product. How to get started? I would recommend using Canva to create a guide. They have so many templates for ebooks, lead magnets, planners, and checklists. You definitely want to focus on structure, not perfection. If you want to get started with Canva, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. Canva does have a free version, but I personally use the Canva Pro because they just have a ton more templates that you can use. So you can go ahead and get started with a free trial though if you use our exclusive link. Okay, so we'll go ahead and search templates. Let's just say gut health checklist. As you can see, they have so many different templates here, and there's a couple of different options. You could create something like the 7-day nervous reset plan, 10 habits that help me stop living in fight or flight, the Sunday routine that keeps my week calm and on track. So let's just say we want to do a nervous system checklist. We can literally come right here, and then they can also recommend other ones. And then we can change the font on here. We can change the colors. So if you have the Pro plan, you get access to brand templates. So then we have a color palette here that we can use and super easily change the colors, the fonts, etc. So we can just change this to the Sunday routine. Cool. Again, this is a very simplified version, but you can go ahead and create from there. If you wanted to do something that's a little bit more action-based like this, where someone can actually print it off and then check it, and then they can physically check off, then they can keep track, this is also a really great thing to do. So what you can do is go ahead and say, help me create 9 checklist items that would align with a 7-day nervous system reset plan that I can make on Canva and sell for a small price. Amazing. So we could come over here. This is our 7-day nervous system reset plan. Amazing. And then we can come in and just change all of these. Again, to make it something that's really aligns with you and your brand and your lifestyle. So again, this is just an example of a checklist, but you can write a PDF book or something like that. I would definitely say that this would be a much smaller price, but if you wanted to make more of a 10 to 20 page ebook style with actionable steps, mindset tips, or frameworks, you can definitely do that, and you don't need to write a novel. But once that guide is created, you can upload it to Thrivecart and then just set a price like 15, 20, 30. Again, this could be more of a lead magnet just to get people on your email list, or it could be something that's just $1.99 or something like that. Again, just to get people's foot in the door into your world. If you're interested in using an email tool, you can use something like ActiveCampaign or Beehive, and both of those links are in the description as well. That way too, once they're on your email list, you can build trust with them over time. But that's why even starting with something free or something that's 99 cents just again gets them to pay you once and gets their foot in the door to trust you. The second side hustle is hosting a paid challenge or running a workshop series around a specific theme and then delivering it through email. This is such a great option if you want to offer support, but you're not ready for a full coaching offer or course. So challenges and mini series let people test the waters with you in a low cost way. This really works because people love structure and accountability, and a challenge gives them both, and it gives you a clear way to guide someone through a result. Challenges also feel fresh, engaging, and easy to commit to. you. You can promote them as limited time events or evergreen offers. What you want to do to get started is pick one transformation you can deliver in 3 to 7 days. Example, 5-day to reset your relationship with food, 7 days to build a non-toxic morning routine, 3-day calm down challenge for stressed out entrepreneurs, 5-day mini mindset bootcamp for women in wellness. What you can do is go ahead and create one daily PDF using Canva or repurpose content you've already written, write a short email to go with each day, and you can even pre-record voice notes or Loom videos to include. I would also recommend using ThriveCart for checkout and then either ActiveCampaign or Beehive or even OmniSend to deliver it. You can price it anywhere from $19 to $47 depending on the depth in delivery. Side hustle number 3 is to sell template packs to coaches, creators, or consumers. This side hustle works especially well if your audience includes other small business owners, creators, or health professionals, or even just busy moms who love structure. This works because people are always overwhelmed by blank pages, whether they're creating social media content, planning meals, or trying to organize their routines. They want tools that are already set up for them. That's where you come in. So how to get started is you could use Canva to create a fill-in-the-blank template like Instagram carousels for wellness creators, recipe cards or meal planners, weekly habit trackers or cycle syncing templates, client intake or onboarding forms for coaches, productivity or goal-setting templates for entrepreneurs. You can package 5 to 10 templates as a bundle and sell it as a downloadable product using ThriveCart. People buy the pack and get a link to the Canva template, and they can customize it for their own brand. These sell really well on their own, but you can also bundle them with other offers or use them as bonuses for higher ticket products. Just to show you an example, even Canva has some already built in here. Obviously, you want to make it your own, but this is such a good place to start. So you can make your own templates within here. So even for this, you can create your own recipe book by using this template right here. So you can just customize this. And again, you want to make your own recipes, add your own photos and everything like that. But if you wanted to make like your top 5 smoothie bowl recipes, you can just duplicate this a few times. Make sure you add in your own recipes. You can change, of course, the colors, make it match your brand, and then, of course, put your information here. So again, you could sell 5 simple recipes that save me time, or maybe 5 simple recipes for busy moms, something along those lines that, again, it really solves a problem and you're speaking directly to that problem. So even just using busy moms or working moms, whatever it may be, niches it down even more specifically. Side hustle number 4 is to offer a paid email series that solves one problem. This is actually super underrated and it's super powerful. Instead of building a course, you can write a paid email series that walks someone through transformations one day at a time. It's basically a structured version of your best advice broken into digestible emails sent automatically after purchase. This works because people want guidance. They want step-by-step support, but they don't always want a video course. A daily email is personal, lightweight, and super scalable for you. You can write it once and have people going through it all year long. So how to get started is you want to pick one small but valuable result that you can deliver in 7 to 30 days. A few examples are the 14-day email reset for burned out coaches, 21 days to more energy through better blood sugar habits, 30 emails to help you rebuild your morning routine, the 5-minute daily reset series delivered straight to your inbox. So what you're going to do is write each email like a mini blog post, include mindset shifts, action steps, or a link to a worksheet in Canva. So you can go ahead and use, ActiveCampaign. I also really like Flowdesk because it's simple. Again, you can use our exclusive link in the description below. So what you would do is create a workflow. So you create a new workflow, and all you would do is you can select a template, just use a welcome sequence as an example. So this would be, maybe let's just say we're doing, create a 10-day email sequence that is solving a specific problem. Let's just go with 7-day reset. Each day needs to have an email and an action step or tip to include. Let's make sure it's digest and they build off of each other. Bam. Now ChatGPT is writing it. Again, you always want to go through and make sure it's your tonality, it's coming from you. You're not just using ChatGPT. Really make it personal to you. So what did you go through? What problem did you solve for yourself? And then use that. So here we go. We've got the action steps. We've got the subject. Okay, so we've got day 1. Okay. Now, instead of waiting 30 days, maybe we just want to wait 1 day. And then this one will be day 2. Of course, you want to go through and add them and make sure you're only doing them 1 day apart. And then again, we would add the subject line, and then obviously you would go in there and edit the email directly, maybe add a photo of you. Of course, like you're going to go through and edit and make sure that this all makes sense with your brand and your voice. You can copy and paste it in here. If you want to add photos, if you have a CTA at the bottom with a button, whatever it may be. But that way, it's just automatically delivered every single day super easily. You can either upgrade to the higher tiered plan of Flowdesk, where people can actually purchase, or you can use something like Thrivecart. Again, all of these links are in the description if you want to check them out. Okay, side hustle number 5. Combine content and email to make affiliate sales. So this one is great if you're not ready to sell your own product yet, or if you want to add income to what you're already building. So you can use Canva to create helpful guides, checklists, or resources. And inside those products, you recommend your favorite tools, whether that's supplements, books, apps, or platforms using affiliate links. So you then use email marketing to promote those downloads, keep in touch with your list, and drive more clicks to those links. This works because it's just one of the easiest ways to monetize early on. You don't need to create something huge, just share what's already helping you. If someone trusts you and you recommend something helpful, they'll check it out and you earn a commission. You can start off by making a PDF checklist or a guide using Canva. Inside the PDF, include 2 to 3 affiliate links. You can deliver the PDF through email, again, using Beehive or ActiveCampaign or Flowdesk, whatever one really calls to you. Then you'll send weekly value-based emails that naturally include those tools. Again, you want to be authentic and make sure you're actually using those. So if it was more wellness-based, maybe you're promoting a smoothie that you made and the affiliate could be the protein powder or something along those lines. Or maybe you are sharing the current basic supplements, or maybe you're a coach and you recommend certain baseline supplements that you want to recommend to people. Maybe it's like a multi and a fish oil and you have an affiliate with some sort of supplement company. You can do that, or even Amazon. You can add affiliate links to the footer of your email, the thank you pages of your product, or inside your digital downloads. And if you want to go deeper on how to do this in a way that feels natural and not spammy, there is an affiliate marketing mastery course that walks you through step by step. All you have to do is go ahead and click the link in the description. You'll just enter in email, full name, create a password, and you can get it absolutely for free. Lastly, let's just go over some tips to keep it simple and get started faster. So if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually start without getting overwhelmed? Here are a few mindset shifts to help. You don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead. You don't need a certification or a perfect routine. You just need to clearly share what worked for you. Think, what would have helped the past version of me? That's completely enough. Next is choose the business model that matches your energy. If you love writing, try the email series. If you love visuals, do the Canva template packs. If you like structure and community, try the paid challenge. Play to your strengths. Next is to start with one product, one email list, one offer. Keep it simple. You do not need 5 products, 2 funnels, and a content calendar. Start with one helpful product. Promote it to your list. Learn what works, then grow. Use tools that worked with you, not against you. Use Canva for all your creation. Use Beehive, ActiveCampaign, or Flowdesk to deliver, and then use Thrivecart to sell. These tools are simple, powerful, and you can set everything up in a short period of time. These 5 side hustles are all low cost, low barrier, and fully customizable based on your experience and interests. Again, all the links are down in the description below, and I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This just really helps us to create more free videos and tutorials just like this. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. This channel is dedicated to helping creators and service-based entrepreneurs build sustainable online income using digital products, email marketing, and simple systems so you can make more money, create your freedom, and scale your business without burning out. If this video gave you clarity, inspiration, or your next action step, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.